Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to grow your store using influencers? In this video, I will show you how to use Shopify Collabs, a free tool to find creators, manage partnerships, and track affiliate sales all from your Shopify dashboard. Let's get started. From your Shopify admin, go to apps or add apps, then scroll down and Shopify App Store. Now search for Shopify Collabs like that and follow the setup prompts. Click install and it's free to use. Once inside, set up your creator application page. This is where influencers apply to work with your brand. Brand description: who you are and what you sell. Collab type: gifting, affiliate, or paid. Requirement: follower count, niche, etc. Commission rate for affiliate offers. Use the Discover Creators tab to browse influencers already in the Shopify Collabs network. Filter by niche, location, audience size, and more. Click on Get Started, then target your audience. Choose product category like beauty. Choose primary audience, female, male, or everyone. Then select country, click edit, then search US or UK, whatever. Select it and check the box and finish setup. Now click on a creator to view their profile, audience, demographics, and past partnerships. When you find a good match, hit invite to collab or invite creator button. Then once someone joins your collab program, you can send them free products, discount codes, or affiliate links. Options: gift products directly from your store, set up a unique affiliate link, offer commission for every sale they refer. Shopify Collabs makes it easy to track everything: clicks, sales, and payouts. You can see which influencers are performing best and pay commissions directly from your dashboard. Bonus: you can also export reports or connect with PayPal for fast per PayPal for fast payments. That's how easy it is to use Shopify Collabs. It's one of the simplest ways to grow your audience with zero ad spend, just by working with the right creators. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comment if you have worked with influencer before or plan to now. See you in the next tutorial, and thanks for watching.